So the question goes like design an audio product for Meta.
First, I would like to have some clarification about the context, like why Meta want to go into the audio product. Is there any insights they have to build it, or why they are looking for that?
Uh, I would like to take your view on that. Like you can take your like you can just think about it. What kind of audio product could be introduced in Meta, and you can give your feedback on that.
Yeah, that is okay. But I want to know like is there any kind of like thing like they want to increase their user base, they want to increase their retention, what they want to, or they can they want to like create a new revenue stream, or like is there anything like why Facebook want to like Meta want to go to this market share?
Got it. But I'll leave it to you. You can decide your goal and you can move ahead with it.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay, open ended. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think I will think it this way that I think for Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels, Meta already have copyrights that they have bought from like big companies like T Series or other like Hollywood companies as well. So I think it is a good strategy to use those copyright like this music contents that rights they have bought for these reels and these other things. They can use that copyright to like in the music app as well. And I think Meta now Meta is kind of diverged kind of market. It's not only kind of social network because they are coming with their own headset. Okay, so maybe they are going to like launch their own ways as well in future. Maybe the possibility. So having this kind of small like like uh, platform apps, or like I can say about the environment kind of applications. So like suppose Apple have their own music, Apple have their own TV now, so they also Google have their own YouTube, and they also like expand in different segments. I think strategically for Meta it's a good kind of thinking, or good kind of like product to have on their ecosystem. So I think I am taking this problem in this way. Is that sounds good or makes sense to you, or I will think in different?
Yeah, you can go ahead with that.
Okay. So I'm focusing on this part. So now my structure will be to first understanding that what kind of audios are like people why they listen to audios, and what type of audios they listen, what are the user segments we can found of, and based on their like use cases, like it may be like they are listening for longer time, maybe the depend upon the content and how they are want to like create audios for and share that. So like for Meta it's a good opportunity that they already have a lot of like creators in their platform. So maybe like there is a lot of audio creator who create audio content in Instagram or other apps as well. So we can also like think of those users like creators also, so we can like onboard those people onto our platform as well. Or we can also like make something depend upon the facility. For like creating a video you need some background music, so we can like create those things and make a platform for that as well. So first I'll look for the users, who are the users that they have, and I'll try to figure out pain point for a particular user segment that I would like to target. And then I will think about that pain points, and then I will think about what are the solution we can bring for those kind of solution for those pain points. And then I will think about some like MVP, how it will look like, how they will going to use that, and then I will try to define a success for that product. Is that sound good to you?
That sounds good. Just wanted to mention like you can focus more on the audio product. It should be an audio product, not video one. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay. I can think of like 4 user category or user segments that I think relatable on based on their listening habits. Okay, so number one is broadcast listener, who listen a lot of broadcasts on various platform. Then it's a general music listener, who listen to like general musics like any song, Hindi, English, or Bollywood type or Hollywood type, or any indie musics. Okay, Then instrumental listener who are mostly interested to listen some instrumental songs like setar or tanpura, kind of like classical music or some kind of those kind of. And these users are mostly like want premium sound experience because they would like to like listen very crystal clear kind of music. And then story listener, so there is a lot of people who like to listen story like audio kind of content, a story of like horror kind of with background music and themes. Like in Kolkata, West Bengal, there is something called Sunday Suspense, which is very much popular in this region. And also like there is other kind of this kind of TV radio show also there who people like to love to listen. So I think these are the four user segment based on the listening habits I can found of. And now I like to create a I like to focus on a particular category. So there is one more clarification I need. For audio product, it can be kind of a hardware kind of product or kind of a software kind of product. So I feel that Meta already have a big software base. I think they have good in that part. This is their biggest PowerPoint. And also like for hardware, recent trends, Meta is moving to like more like to be a kind of hardware product company. They already have launched this Meta kind of glasses with Ray-Ban, and that is also booming in the market and everybody is talking about. I think that is also a like perspective we can look for. But I think for now, I think we can start with more like a software kind of product I want to focus on, because I think like hardware, I think focusing on multiple hardware will be difficult for Meta to like catch the whole game. But already they are doing so good in software part, so we can like I can think in digital product that will be more suitable for now. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. So from this user segment, I would like to prioritize um, story listeners, because I think this is some kind of segment that is relevant to Meta, because I think what we can think of in that way, like um, users will like to listen a story and they can discuss about like these things in the comment, and that will be like kind of a kind of social kind of listening experience also that we can provide. If you can think of their the user segment who are into this the story listening part, I think they have we don't have any such good platform currently. And if you can build something for this user segment, and then I think that will be kind of a differentiator in the market as well, and we can like think that in a much better kind of value proposition for Meta as well, because I think Meta already have this kind of stories in their platform, so we can organize that. And why I'm not listening the other thing? Uh, Firstly, the instrumental like listeners, they want like premium experience. I think for this kind of users, audio quality matters a lot. They want to like get a very crystal clear audio, and also like that is dependent upon the what kind of music instrument they are listening to, the headset or the kind of sound device what they are using. So we cannot do a lot of thing on that segment. Then there is something called this general music listener. I think there is already YouTube Music and Spotify have almost like become a king in this segment, so it is very difficult for us to enter in this market. And the podcast listener also like YouTube I think have the biggest podcast already, they have gained that market, so it will be difficult. But this story listener we can like build, if you can build something for this user segment, then I think that will be very interesting for this. So I am prioritizing this. And so next I will think about the what kind of pain points they have and what they actually want for like listening the story, and also the creator part, how what those creator who creating this kind of content in the platform, and how they want like what their audience should do, what kind of engagement they will get, how they like feel that feel great to like create this kind of content. So I will think of that. So give me some time to figure out the pain points. Okay, so the pain points, I think there is two kind of players in this segment. One is creators, another one the listeners or users. So for the creator perspective, the pain points what they have is to like they I think they have less amount of knowledge about how their audience are, because other platform like YouTube or like Spotify, they have like in YouTube we can have comments, but I think we can do like they don't able to like get that what kind of content they want to listen, their audience want to listen. So I think kind of like some kind of form or something, or kind of like some kind of like insights that what is going on in the user mind. I think those kind of insights they don't able to get, so they don't understand what kind of content they will create, what kind of story they will come in their next episode or next season. And then there is some the engagement part, like what which part of their story is more engaging. Like generally people who listen to this audio, they just these are the like long content, okay, and there is only like one or two kind of actions you can build, like the video or like comment something. But I think for getting more details inside what which part of the story is more engaging, and they want to like what are the reaction from the users they are listening, and what they're feeling about that, how much the real experience they are getting. So this kind of insight I think this content creator don't able to get. And for the listener side, I think the pain points of the listener is like they're busy people, they want to like listen this kind of audios content, but when they are working, so they can like able to like listen something like, and that is not that much like detail, that kind of audio book or something, that those are like thing you cannot like do some work and listen to those like audio book, because these are kind of like very bookish language, or also like they have like very details things that you need to some focus to like understand what they're discussing. And for listener, one thing is like they want to like so they always want to like feel lonely while like listening this like big content. There is no platform they allow to like listen this audio while they will be like online with their friends also, like kind of a social kind of listening experience, where they can like pause sometime and discuss, see like this happen, I think next it will happen like this. They can do some kind of discussion with the like co-listeners as well. So we can like so this is kind of like social listening experience we can build for just those user space. So I think I like to prioritize this thing like social listening kind of thing, because I think this is very rare, and Meta have all the key technology to build this kind of application, because Meta have like Messenger, where we can like do call and video chat. So we have calling and video chat like technology with us. And also like we have these creators also, and they are like maybe posting this content on Instagram or in Facebook platform, so you can also like collaborate with those creators. And also like we can have the tech infrastructure to cater to this like supply this kind of like tech bandwidth, like maybe like the storage, or maybe like the this kind of infrastructure like application or something that can be attached with that. So I think these are the things already Meta have, and it will be like very easy to make or build kind of product for Meta. So I want to like prioritize this among all. Do you want to like have any question, like is that make sense to you, or you want to like want you to like any different time like this pain point I should prioritize?
No, that's fine. I just want to see if so you were just talking about the pain points. I want to see the solutions as well. How you go ahead with it. It's fine.
Okay, solutions. Okay. So I like to create one product. It's I'm naming it as a Meta FM. So at the like how it will look like is it's kind of application like other like Spotify or other things, and you have to log in, and after logging you will see a lot of like audio contents, and that will be in the home page. That how I am imagining the application. So here you will able to see a lot of like stories, and the name and title of the story, or maybe like there will be some images for that. And after you join, you can like think of like you can also search relevant by the genre of that story, like horror story or a kind of romantic story or fun kind of story. So and after like when you log in, there will be options to share your listening link to other your friends, so that your friends also logged into the app and can listen to that story. So there's a group listening kind of experience I want to give. And what I will, the stories will come from the creators. So there will be like one creators kind of studio kind of platform as well, where creators are able to upload their content, or they can import content from Instagram and Facebook, and they can also like do some basic changes. So they can like if it is a video and audio kind of content that they have posted there, so they can like import that video, and they just cut out the video and they just take the audio for this particular product. And later on they can also upload their audio content to the platform as well. So I would like to plan in this way. So there will be one kind of user app and on a creator platform, both will be like integrated. So creators will be able to like upload their content, and the listener will be able to like listen. And they can also like the link kind of generation option, on generating that link and sharing to your friends. Maybe like 5 member for free trial, I will give the 5 member to join, or like maybe like 2 member to join. But if you want to like add more member, you have to take some subscription as well. Or also there will be some pricing model for this, where they will add more members, or they will like release to like all kind of content, so they have to like buy a subscription. So that will be the basic kind of structure for the like basic MVP of the product. So do you want to like go deeper to think about like what are the things will be exactly there, or I will go for the matrix or GTM you want?
No, this looks good. To me, just a question. So this app will be an independent app of Meta, or is this integrated with another existing Meta application?
Yeah, it will be independent. I will not like to like attach this to any platform, because I think this is a kind of very different kind of product than like Meta product that have like Instagram or Facebook. But yeah, but all the platform will for the launch there will be some kind of nudge or kind of button, or kind of like I have seen Zomato do these things, like there is some kind of like small patch in the menu section that actually indicate that there is a new product, like this Meta FM. So you can like or you can like flash some advertisement on there, but it will be a completely different product.
Okay, you can go ahead with the matrix. That's fine.
Okay, so for the matrix, so in the starting, I think it will be a new product. So like discovery of the product, like people are like able to search this and they download that. These other metrics will be the most important one. So I would like to check that how many downloads they are doing in week per week. Okay, so number of downloads per week. Then I will think check that percentage of the users who are coming to the app and they are listening to music, and daily how many people are actively like listening. So let's suppose they are listening for 2 minutes. Okay, so I will take them, or maybe like 1 minute or 2 minutes. So that I will consider as a daily active user. So they are user who are coming and they're listening for like at least 1 minute. Okay, and then they are dropping. So this will be the criteria for daily active user. And I will think of the so the North Star metrics will be always like it's a listening app. So creators are creating content for listening, users are coming to listen. So I think listening hour, like YouTube have watch hour, so it will be like listening hour, the number of time they are listening the app throughout. I think I'll make some breakdown for that. I can take for daily and monthly and weekly. So I think in starting I will think about the monthly active listening time, and when the product will grow with lot of users, then I will think about the only the weekly active weekly time they are listening. And then I think daily listening time will be the North Star metrics for this product in the long run. So these are the metrics I will check. And I will check also like how many people are like calling to like creating links, and how many people are joining to those links to listen together. And I will see other activities as well, like number of times they are like doing some conversation when they are listening, how many time they are doing some conversation, after which part they are doing some conversation on the entire video. So I will check these metrics as well, so that will give some kind of like engagement factor. So how many people are getting engaged while listening, they are like discussing any like point, they are maybe like doing some kind of activities Okay, so I will also like track those metrics as well. If I have a like proper MVP, I will like to like define that properly, like how many people are doing this action. For now, I just want to like create a basket of this whole kind of activities, and like to track how many people are doing per day. So I will track these things.
Sounds good.